first grade. All right, we got practice page 143. 143. This is actually a pretty short one. Phonics ooh sound. Okay. Read the words in the box right here. Listen for the middle sounds, spelling ooh and ooh. Then write each word next to the word with the same ending sound. So we're going to talk about our ending sounds. Okay? So, if we look at the word in the word box, we have foot, pull, cook, and push. Okay, well, we're going to want to look at the ending sounds. So I'm just going to help myself out. I'm going to put a little arrow pointing to the ending sound of each one of these words. Okay, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can just follow my paper. But look at number 1. It says we need to find the same word with the same ending as bush. Oh, that's my favorite diagram. I'll put a little squiggle. Bush. So which one of these words has the same ending as bush? You're right. Push. So we're going to write the word push right here. And you're going to finish the rest of these. So look at these, and I want you to match up. And I want you to pause the video for a second. And I want you to finish these last 3 and match these up. And then go ahead and press play again. And I'm going to have them all done for you, and you can check your work, okay? Okay, go ahead and pause it. All right, if you paused it, then you follow directions. Thank you very much. And you should be checking your answers right now. And let's see if you got them all right. If you got all 3 of those right on your own, give yourself a smiley face. Great job. On this next part, we are going to actually write a new sentence. And it says, change the beginning sound in good to write a new word that has the same middle sound. Then write a sentence using good or your new word. Well, I'm going to use the word good and my new word. So another word that rhymes with good, not rhymes, I shouldn't say rhymes, sorry, has the same middle sound is cook. Still has the sounds. Good, cook. So I'm going to write, I am a good cook. I am a good cook. Now you can do your own sentence if you want. I just wanted to use good and cook. So I have my sounds right here. So you can write your own sentence. If you just want to use the word good, you can say, I am a good student. I am a good reader. I am a good big sister. I'm a good big brother or little. You use your sentence that you want. Or you can copy what I have. That's okay too. It's good practice. All right, guys. Good job, first grade.